So about 4 weeks ago, I bought a Porsche 992 C4S cab. A few days later, I went to see my friend Daniel at Ashville. Whenever I don't have a Lambo, I love doing donuts in my cars. And on this particular day, I was with two of my best friends. I had a huge yard, it was raining, and it was really muddy. This is what happened.
So, this is what Yianni's car looks like after eating donuts.
Why don't I just give you a pair of boots to put on?
So, oh my God! Oh my God! Wow, he just did that. Because he ain't put his boots on. So after Yianni's antics with the boots, we're having to clean it here. Ashville Concrete. And these are limited edition Jordans. They're limited eds. And look what he's doing with. They're not so limited now. Yianni, go in the puddle, go in the puddle, go in the puddle. Go on!
So you might be thinking, whose stupid idea was that? Well, it was mine. I was with two very good friends of mine. The yard was empty, safety was cool, so of course, I had to do donuts. The biggest thing I saw on social media was, how is he gonna clean that car? Did it have PPF on it? The car doesn't have PPF, and it cleaned fine. Touch and clean came the following day, no issues whatsoever. The roof was also fine, as you can see. It was really wet and it was only mud. So I was wearing my infrared Jordans and yes, they got very muddy. However, I couldn't actually get in my car after I'd done what I did. I took my Jordans off, I got in my car, I handed them to Daniel and he very kindly cleaned them for me. So many people seemed to get really upset over what I did. It was fun, it was just banter. I was with friends of mine. I was in a safe environment, there was no one else around, and it's my car. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I wanted to show you something different. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, let me know. Comment down below, and I'll see you soon. Take care.